Hello students, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals, and for that we keep making videos on different software. So today I am here with a video on SketchUp. Now what are we going to learn today? Today we will learn about the shapes. So in the shapes we have four different options. First one is rectangle, then we have rotated rectangle, then we have circle, and after that we have polygon. So we will explore all these options one by one. First of all, I will start with rectangle. So I can draw a rectangle using this tool, and I will just reverse the face of this one. Then I can pull it to any height by just using the push pull tool. Now it was a rectangle of random dimension. What if I want to draw a rectangle of a particular dimension? So for that I will just simply click on the rectangle, drag it in any direction, and then I will enter the value. So over here I want to enter a value of 6 feet by 8 feet. So let's take the measurement using the tape measure tool, and let's see whether we have got the right dimension or not. So in this direction we have 8 feet, and in this direction we have 6 feet. So we can rely on SketchUp for the dimensions. Now I will just reverse the face, and using my push pull tool I can pull it. Now suppose I want to pull it to 10 feet. So I will get a cuboid of 10 feet height. Now using the tape measure tool you can also take the measurement, and you can see over here I have a height of 10 feet. Now what if I want to work with another shapes? So for that I will go to the circle. Now in circle you can see I can define the radius of the circle. Suppose I want to have a circle of 3 feet. So I will just enter the value, and then I can get the circle. Now using the push pull tool you can make a cylindrical shape. So for this one too I will take a height of 10 feet so that we can figure out what are the images that we are working with. Now let's work with the polygon. So initially you will get a hexagonal shape over here. I will again define the radius to 3 feet, reverse its face, and then using the push pull tool I will pull it to 10 feet height. So this way you can use these three tools to make different shapes in SketchUp. Now we will move to the most interesting tool in this series. So we have rotated rectangles. So in this one we don't just define the shape of the rectangle by defining the dimensions, but you can also define the angle. Like over here I am drawing a rectangle at 90 degree. Now suppose we want a rectangle at a particular angle. So I will just define the rectangle, and I will enter the value like 6 feet, 8 feet, and then I will enter the angle. So over here I am taking 75 degree. Now let's see. Over here you can see this rectangle has been bent by 75 degree. And how you can see that? For that you can draw another rectangle of this much dimension, and now you can clearly see the angle. So this is another way of using the rectangle in SketchUp. So guys, I think you have learned a new technique in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel.